everybody, I'm fishing under this little waterfall today. Today we're using live worms. This is something I never do, so this is like new to me. And then we're literally just using a worm and a hook. We don't have any more waste, we ran out. And we're not even using a bobber, so we're kind of just looking for those bottom feeders. Brian just got a nice sunny.
That was less than 10 seconds after I cast out right there.
Got another sunny, guys. I don't know what kind of sunny this one is, guys. This one's darker, but look at that fish. Another good one. Got one, guys. Oh, it's a cat. Got a catfish, little catty. This is what we were targeting today, guys, but bigger. If we got bigger ones, we'd be taking them right now, but not gonna keep this little guy. Now with these, you gotta be careful because they have a lot of spikes. Alright guys, there we go. Nice black catfish. First one at the very end. We kind of didn't know what we were gonna go for today, so we kind of wanted to do a catch and cook, come back and get bigger ones, and then we'll do a catch and cook for you guys. Maybe, you know, Cajun catfish, fried catfish. That sounds pretty good. But right now I'm gonna let this little guy go.